spokesman well and truly.
Serve the Republic of Ghana.
Serve the Republic of Ghana.
In the office of the President.
In the office of the President.
Of the Ghana Traditional Council.
Of the Ghana Traditional Council.
And that I will uphold.
And that I will uphold.
Preserve.
Preserve.
Protect.
Protect.
And defend.
And defend.
The Constitution.
The Constitution.
Of Ghana.
Of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
So help me God.
So help me God.
I,
King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II,
holding the office
of
President
of
the Ghana Traditional Council,
in
the name of the Almighty God swear,
in the name of the Almighty God swear,
that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which will be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties, except I may be required for the discharge of my official duties, or as may be specifically permitted by law. So help me God.
So help me God.
Nyene gbine efe gbi bulu ke ha wo ga tete ake afi baba o ne ke wo chita mo ne wona eko iche keje bini oche ni amudi ke enotu nyene ni ma adaruma na mene gbine e ba fe gbi papa e ha wo Ghana Traditional Council ke ha ga manchomu se ake mene wana woche niji niga ni King Tackie Teiko Tsuru niji enyo domo kansa na mingo shida ingle minga woche ni otinto ake ni tumo hale ewetele eke nge kono se ewetele ne tuye ni jugba boni gan tete susuwo e abale se bale ko manye ya be kuku mi mingo shida minga ni ajote otinto ni di enyo yano se mingo shida mi council members fe wo kenke se notalo alo ni otudo ni lemo de ke benani ega onyeminu ni otinto ebuka tete ngble siboni me susu e ma mi e ha men kume anonyo di e kunwe wa meda wo ni ajote otinto mi shibokon ake tunlo papa oji anukwa le kuni chubo ni oji anukwa ye onife mi ni otinto era don boni niga boni emo ofin wona ake mene o ba se wo te ye bie o ba ke ni ne kome o hele bo ke ni dienyo mo ya ke ni tumo ni cheme etuke ku mumwe o ba no ba shiwo ga tete ni o ke tin ni ga ako imama nisa ebu ejaye wo ga wo pese ni se san wo ya wo yin ni mo wona ate mi wona wo yin yero ni wo kwaya ni wo klaba ko abu wi na ya okere aba o klaba pepe ko ba sese o ni ta mo ni fe ni ba shu wo yin pa ni wo plafe aba shu wo yin ni wo bu ni ga igwale ni iketu nonisa ni iketu ihawo hemo kuku njo alo keha keje kansule keha ga kete ke woni oche ni bache die ni
Akango
Amen.
ago we go jameke ni meke name anukwale dani makane speech ne madam ofemo shimo bia na fe forward nje bana nye trade nye ha nya minu ni sempe ni adoto tinto ebo modern wa denje na kaino hundi mada ni dodun saki shi ya ha shi ne papa ne ke gan ehin ye fen nye yo bia ehin ami wa denje ngona ga jingene bidrone eba nina wo fen tra no manyaba. We acknowledge the presence of Lady Justice Jane Lawson Quay and thank her immensely for taking time off her busy schedule to be with us on this all-important day. I seize this opportunity to thank all members of this august house, the Ghana Traditional Council, the Principal Wulamai, the Ghana Paramount Stu Jasiche, the Ghana Paramount Stu Senche, and the Ghana Paramount Stu Jase, and all the administrative staff of the Ghana Traditional Council for holding the fort all these years. I do acknowledge also the presence of Her Ladyship, Justice Naya Alisa Odiamensa. My sincere appreciation goes out to the past president, acting presidents of the Ghana Traditional Council, past and present, the Otublohu Manche, Nidodun Saki II, and his successor, the Sepese Manche, Ni Adote Otinto II, the Mankralo of the Ghana state. Without them, we would not be here today. Today, our task of unification and development of the Ghana state has begun. But we have decided to let unity triumph over division, hope over despair, and the quest for knowledge over ignorance. As a state, it seems our energies have been depleted. Our people are demoralized. Our culture and language fading in haste, and our priorities placed wrongly. The Ghana state is broken and needs mending. I'm here to lead the repair effort, to bring it back from the low state, to illuminate the dark tunnels of the current predicament. As president, I will engage the Ghana Traditional Council and not do anything without them to agree on short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. We shall work together in a united front to develop not only the Ghana Adangbe people locally, but also those in the diaspora. We shall work with all governments, the diplomatic corps, the investor community, the corporate bodies, civil society, the media, and all stakeholders in the singular interest of our people, especially in the under-mentioned thematic areas. 1. Provision of educational and skill training. 2. The empowerment of the Ghana girl child to become beneficial to society. 3. Ensuring our people live in good health and in a healthy environment. 4. Infrastructural development to augment the efforts of various government projects. 5. Development of ICT, especially robotics, for solutions in our various industries. And 6. Creative arts and games. We have observed that our youth, who are a very vibrant youth, will need a lot of inspiration and mentorship from successful real models. We will work hard at that. Members of the press, it is my desire and our willingness to work with you, become your friends, become your partners. However, we do insist that you accord the Ghana state, the Ghana Traditional Council, the Ghana Stew, the Ghana Dangbe people the needed respect and ensure accurate and correct reportage in all matters especially that which affects us. Members of the Ghana Traditional Council, as the Ghana chair, I do accept this call to serve you, to serve the people of the Ghana state, to serve the people of the Ghana Dangbe region. In my capacity as a substantive president of the Ghana Traditional Council, I pledge to provide steering leadership that will forge and force largely on unity, peace, and development. I urge all of us to put our shoulders to the wheel so that the Ghana Dangbe state, the Ghana state, the Ghana Traditional Council will rise again. I assure you, no one will be left behind. My brother, the Mankralo of the Ghana state, has done so well. I have come to look at this place that's looking very different already. I believe that with our efforts together with all the chiefs, the Wulomo in the Safuateme, the Wawoya Woye, the Agbanfuateme, the Ghana state will rise again. Teme Kenyeme, Nime Kename, Yehani Wawa Gano Wamasi, Trano Manyaba.
Kono ba fe de ba pe again eh ni do machine wo gamanche ni the president yaswele in of the Ghana Traditional Council ile no ji gafe manche na ni won damofia machine mene gune titire won da wo manche machine ni do dun saki di by president ni vice acting president ni she han ni adoto tinto di ba kwese no fia no efe pepepe ke manche me ni woli ameniji ano e ja ke ba fia no mo ke mo wo no de ya hwen wo ba da wo justice session ake no wo chele e shi no fia no de ba bi elebi ne ba chu no ni sane echu wo ba da wo pressman na hu ahye ake shi amefen ameba na ba kama cover no ni afi ne cha iyo ya ke no ni wo che iwe amenu lo jugba akwo kan ba chu ni chame ko wa chu ni ojugba ni kula ba wo he o ba da me fian ni ba lo bishi ake shi amba kwe ni una fian na fe fo to ba no wo le no ko ton ne ke wona ye Ghana eche wo ngene wo fe history wo shida skani kwa ni ji ohie nka cha ofie e wo cha fie ba ke ake shida ni bi agbo fe wo ken hale onye fe nye iradon wo fe wondanyishi ni ndanyishi
ngbe ji ni tete ashon ni ji enumo me ji gan manche senche ni domoshian gan fe ni menegbine imi se hiwa ake keje inu woje wo ba she anokwale eto ni eto gan so mletwa ne oke mi se jomo nile be gandan gbe bi fen ni ameba shiwo no o ne ka no chumo wulu ni kan wo hin ne won cho fe ko wo wan bi me gbelegbe me hawo ko ni wonyo ni wochu le ojugba ni oba saga ni gan mama papa ni sale eko ebu anako che gan ake ka wo fen wo kwe na gba ke totomo ni na gan anokwale sane ebe ngbe no kra ni wo fen wo twihwe na ninji ake gan ahin ni ta flache gan tete fen anna ekupapa ni idomo alo ita ka wo hin ba function gan fen gan niji Greater Accra region loji icho ye gan ka okwe gan na mape wo region bibio ye region CFM o twihwe na ninji ake nefi ake amlalo ishitamo he jibie ni gan ye ni no fe no yo fi region CFM o twihwe na ninji ake gan ahin koni no fe no ni jobie no papa ni jobie ne ya other regions ni fi papa bi ajonhie do ajenhie bi ne ye twidwum koni enyeni emo Ghana mamu fe panshi ake sanoku banyese aja ke ni niga ji Kentucky tekuchu ni ji enyo ni ba tashi ne etwihwe na ni ji aka afi gan akome ko ni to enjole ani naga o mo fe mo ni no yo emi mi ni tete ashon gan senche fa impa ake wo fe wo natui wo ko wo kon aba wo no chumo wulu na shishi ko ni gan aya ehie